You have a vision involving hydrogen in the bakery. Can you tell us more?
Within our society, we're reaching a point where governments are beginning to answer the call of society for a more sustainable production and industrial setting in general. And we think we can help with that. At AMF, we have developed the world's first hydrogen-fueled direct-fired oven, with 99.999% less CO2 emissions than a natural gas-fueled oven. More importantly, we have developed a system which can be retrofitted in already existing and installed Multibake VITA oven in a matter of days. This will allow our customers to have a hydrogen solution installed on their ovens without buying new ones. Burning hydrogen generates water as a byproduct, and of course, as we said before, no emissions. In the baking process, especially when you have pizza or bread or other products which have to grow in the oven, steam helps greatly. The reason we teamed up with Kiwa is because we want to make sure that our customers, the bakers, can focus on their core business, which is baking delicious products, without thinking about bureaucracy or any other details for that matter. Imagine a truly green bakery with green label, no CO2 emissions, and locally produced and stored hydrogen fuel in the bakery. With our hydrogen-fueled ovens, I strongly believe that we are fulfilling our AMF vision: better food, better lives, for our society, but also for those which will come after us.